So what I wanted to do today was show you how to find out what information Facebook has on you. So for the purpose of this, I've created a new Facebook page with like no friends or information, just because I don't want to show the world my Facebook page. So you'll start off by going up here to the right hand corner and click on this downward arrow. It'll come up with this list and you'll go all the way down to the bottom to settings. So click on settings, and it'll show your general account settings. But down here it has an option for ads. So you'll click on ads, and then it'll come up with this list, this page called your ad preferences. And this basically shows you the ads that Facebook will show you and why they show you those ads. So come over here, click on your information, and it will show you the information about you that comes up on your Facebook profile, but also what categories Facebook has put you in, like your political preference, things like that. There you go.